I'm Jeff, the inventor of the original Wedg-Eze support lounger, and I'm here today to show you how to simply and easily fill your new wedge. When you receive your wedge, you'll notice that it comes with two components, your liner and your cover.
Yep.
The first thing you need to do with your cover is to turn your cover completely inside out. So in turning your cover inside out, exposing your Velcro stabilising strips. The next step is to grab your internal liner, making sure that your narrow end lines up with the narrow end of your cover. Make sure you line both strips of Velcro and join. One simple procedure is to lay it onto a flat surface and line up your Velcro strips. Simplifies the process. Once you have joined both, slide your hand inside the cover, grabbing both pieces, liner and cover together, and flip inside out. So now the liner is attached firmly to the cover.